In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord login error. If you're stuck on the login screen or getting unexpected errors, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes, starting from the quickest checks to the more thorough ones. First, confirm the issue isn't on Discord's side. Head to the official Discord status page to see if there's a partial outage or maintenance in your region. If servers are down, the best move is to wait until the status returns to operational before trying again. Next, double check your credentials. Make sure your email or username and password are typed correctly and that caps lock isn't on. If you're unsure, use the forgot your password option to reset it, then log in with the new password. Also consider manually typing instead of pasting in case your clipboard has an extra space. Now verify your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for authentication. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a local network issue. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily as these can block or delay the login process. If you're on a shared or public network, sign into the network's portal if required. If the issue persists, clear Discord's cache. On Windows desktop, fully close Discord. Press Win+R, type %appdata% to Discord and press Enter. In the folder that opens, delete the cache folder, then restart Discord and try logging in again. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, Discord, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause glitches without deleting your account data. Make sure you're on the latest Discord version. Updates include bug fixes that often resolve login troubles. If updating doesn't help, reinstall the app. Download it from the official source, install fresh, and try again. If you use two-factor authentication, confirm you're entering the correct 2FA code from your Authenticator app or a valid backup code. Ensure your device's time is set automatically. Time drift can cause codes to fail. If needed, temporarily adjust your 2FA method only after confirming your codes are accessible. Try logging in from a different device or a web browser. Sometimes the desktop app hiccups while the browser works fine. This helps pinpoint whether it's an app issue or an account/connectivity issue. Finally, if you suspect your account is disabled, banned, or flagged, contact Discord support at https://support.discord.com with relevant details. With these steps, you should be back in quickly. Thanks for watching and good luck getting logged in.